KFC donut.
I don't know why you want me to record a donut. It's a lot of frosting.
What do you think? Is it dry?
I don't think it's dry. I think itself is a good donut. But with the chicken...
A little too dry.
No, it's not.
It's too cakey.
That's how donuts are supposed to be. Here.
Look at all that cake.
I think with like the donut sandwich, it's not good.
Too cakey. It tastes like a dry, flavorless cake that has frosting on it.
You want to see what my box looks like? Where's it?
Right here.
Ooh, the big box. So I got these poppers here. I got my sandwich. I got some wedges and some corn. I want to see the sandwich though. What the fuck is that tiny little bitch? That's like a mini sandwich. The sandwich I had in Kansas was so much bigger than that little shit. Do you see how small that is?
Yeah, it looks like...
Look how small it is compared to a nugget.
It's probably like 3 or 4 nuggets put together.
Like, that's such a small bun. The donut's bigger than that.
If I were to suggest anything for anyone who wants to try this, just get 2 Dunkin Donuts or Krispy Kreme, whatever you prefer, and then put one of these in between it, because
This chicken is good though.
this donut that KFC has rolled out is very dry.
Yeah, look at all this frosting.
Look at all this frosting in there. That's just nauseating to look at that.
That's their sandwich.
And what a sandwich it is. It's very dry and flavorless. The chicken is good, but the donut's not so much. You need to improve on the overall donut quality, because the cake itself in the middle is very, very dry.
Chicken's good though. You can save that chicken.
And they put way too much glaze, which is good because they need more moisture.
If
but
you want to dip it, then it's good.
It's good if you want to dip it.
Trying to pick the donut up out of here.
But trying to pick it up out of there is a nightmare. And the frosting is like,
because the whole
can't get rid of it.
The whole bottom of the donut was down like that. So when you went to pick it up, you immediately get all of that on the bottom.
And trying to scrub this stuff off is a nightmare. Like, I've literally washed my hands 4 times and it's still sticky.
Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
So, whenever you eat this, like one of the big YouTube reviewers said, do not eat this in your car because your steering wheel will probably feel like the McDonald's playpens after you're done with it. It's going to be sticky and dirty, and anything that you touch from then on out will be covered in this here glazy solution, which is lukewarm, and it doesn't really complement the donut very well, because you want a nice warm glazed donut, not a lukewarm glazed donut. So there you go. There is the overview of the sandwich. It was certainly disappointing considering how many great reviews I've heard about it. It was so hyped up for such a disappointing and just downright mediocre experience. Like, doesn't even taste like a good combination. So that's all, everybody. There you go.